In this chapter, solve this equation. This is the sixth degree equation. So we want six values of this x. This is the also reciprocal equation. 6, 6, 25, 25, 31, 31. So, first calculate f of 1. We reduce this x power 6 into x power 4 equation. For that one, first calculate f of 1, 6 minus 25 plus 31 minus 31 plus 25 minus 6. Put x value 1. Put x value 1. 1 square value 1. 1 power 4 value 1. So on. Plus 6 minus 6. 25, 25. 31, 31 cancel. 0. Therefore, x equal to 1 is a root of f of x equal to 0. Again, consider f of minus 1, 6 into minus 1 whole power 6, minus 25, minus 1 whole power 5, 31, minus 1 whole power 4, minus 31, minus 1 whole square, plus 25, minus 1, minus 6, minus 1 whole power 6, plus 1 into 6, 6, minus 1 whole power 5, minus into minus plus, 25, minus 1 whole power 4, plus 1, plus 31, minus 1 whole square, 1 into minus 31, minus 31, minus 25, minus 6, plus 6, minus 6, 25, 25, 31, 31, 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 is also a root of f of x equal to 0. So we get two roots. Using these two roots, apply the synthetic division. See this one, x power 6, 5, 4, no x cube term. So, by synthetic division, 6 minus 25 plus 31, x cube term missing, 0, minus 31 plus 25 minus 6 divide with 1, 0, 6 plus 6 minus 18, 19 minus 19 plus 12, 12 into 1, 12, 12, 12 into 1, plus 12, minus 19, minus 19, plus 6. 6 into 1 plus 6. Remainder 0. Next, using second root, minus 1, 0, 6, minus 6, minus 25, plus 25, adding these two, 37, 37 into minus 1, minus 37, minus 25, plus 25, plus 6. Multiply these two, minus 6, remainder 0. So, f of x equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. This is coefficient of x power 6. After 1 division, x power 5 coefficient. After second division, x power 4 coefficient. 6 into x power 4 minus 25 x cube plus 37 x square minus 25x plus 6 equal to 0. Let g of x equal to 6 into x power 4 minus 25x cube plus 37x square minus 25x plus 6 equal to 0. So, 6th degree equation becomes to biquadratic equation. So, this is the biquadratic equation. Divide with x square. 6. X power 4 by x square minus 25 x cube by x square plus 37 x square by x square minus 25x by x square plus 6 by x square. X square cancel. 6x square. X square cancel. 25x. X square cancel. 37. X cancel. 25 by x plus 6 by x square. Take 6 common. X square plus 1 by x square. Take minus 25 common. X plus 1 by x plus 37 equal to 0. Let x plus 1 by x equal to a. X plus 1 by x whole square equal to a square. A plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab equal to a square. X square plus 1 by x square equal to a square minus 2. Substitute these two values in one. 6 into a square minus 2 minus 25a plus 37 equal to 0. 6 a square minus 12 minus 25a plus 37 equal to 0. 6 a square minus 25a plus 25 equal to 0. Split into factors. 6 a square minus 25a plus 25 equal to 0. 25 into 6, 150. 10 into 15, 6 a square minus 10a minus 15a plus 25. Take 2a common, 3a minus 5. Take minus 5 common, 3a minus 5 equal to 0. 3a minus 5 into 2a minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, a value 5 by 3 or a value 5 by 2. First case, if a value 5 by 3 x plus 1 by x 5 by 3 x LCM x square plus 1 equal to 5 by 3 by cross multiplication 3x square plus 3 equal to 5x. 3x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. No factors. So x equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. B value minus 5. B square value 25. 4 into 3 into 3 by 2 into a. A value 3. So 5 plus or minus 25 minus 36 by 6. 5 plus or minus root minus 11 by 6. 5 plus or minus 11 into minus 1 by 6. 5 plus or minus 11 into small I square. I square value always minus 1 by 6. Therefore, x equal to 5 plus or minus root 11I by 6. Root 11I by 6. Second case, if a value 5 by 2, x plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2, x LCM x square plus 1 equal to 5 by 2, 2x square plus 2 equal to 5x, 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Split into factors. 2x square minus 4x minus 1x plus 2 equal to 0. Take 2x common, x minus 2. Take minus 1 common, x minus 2. X minus 2 into 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So x value 2, x value 1 by 2. So roots of g of x are 5 plus or minus root 11I by 6, 2 and 1 by 2. Therefore, roots of f of x are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1, 1 by 2, 2 and 5 plus or minus root 11I by 6.